Hello everybody, got a video here today on how to use these little things. They're rivets, or some people call them pop rivets. And I wanted to do a video here on to show people how to use them and kind of what they're for. So you'll need the rivets, and you got to know what size these are. And these ones are 3/16, and what it is here, I already pre-drilled a hole here. This is a 3/16 hole, and you want it to fit in there kind of tight. You don't want it real loose. And I will show you why here. And you'll need a tool like this, or you can get an air riveter also. This one I've had for a long time. It's just the manual one, but the air riveters would be nice if you're using them a lot. And you'll need to take and see which size of fitting here you'll need, and I already got it on my one here that I need. And they just go in like that. And I'll show you on this here. They just turn out, you usually get a little wrench with them, but they're generic. These just twist out. And it looks kind of like that. Some of them have a little spring in here, so you'll want to be careful not to lose that. On this one, I like it also. You can take this here and move it to over here, so you can do it kind of like that. But just about everything I do, I got to kind of get in there a little bit, so it works a lot better like this. You need to pull your handle out, put your rivet in like that, and find the right hole that I drilled here on this old license plate. When you put it through there, you'll want to make sure you got it flush up against this side. Start squeezing your handle, and as you can see, it's starting to pull it back through here, and it flares out as it's doing it. And that'll pop off there, and when it does, it leaves that there a little bit. And you got the nice side over here. And on your riveter, you'll have the little metal part that breaks off. You'll want to slide that out of it. These are used a lot of times to put two things together, like if you're just taking two sheets of this metal and putting it together. You just drill the hole through both of them, put the rivet through them, and squeeze it and pop rivet it together. Pretty basic, simple, and I'll do a video later on how you remove them. So don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, and have a great day everybody. Bye.